Hello everyone, I am Deborah Lehman from the Living Well Now team.
And I am Andrea Lehman. Welcome.
We are excited to be here with you today because you have gotten your premium starter kit and we are going to give you some quick tips of how to use the oils within the box.
So maybe your box arrived and you kind of just stared at it and you're like, I don't even know where to begin. So what we want to do today is just give you one quick tip for each of those oils so you can bust them out and start using them right away. And then know that we have our website, livingwellnow.com, where you can go and look under products and you'll see a full-length class where you can watch just more in-depth information about the oils and each of them in the starter kit so that you feel very comfortable getting started. So let's start with Peppermint Vitality. And you'll notice that the top row of this kit, they are all the white labels. So in your kit too, you will have some oils with white labels, some with colored labels. So this is Peppermint Vitality. It's labeled for internal use. Now, Young Living also has a regular peppermint oil that's labeled for topical and aromatic use. Same oil, labeled differently. So you'll hear me talk right now just about ways to use this internally. So one use for peppermint oil is under the tongue, okay? If I have eaten something, my stomach's feeling a little off, or let's say that I had some coffee and I have coffee breath, peppermint is one that I go to and I'll just do a drop in my mouth. I never chew gum anymore, it's just a drop of peppermint in the mouth. It's very cooling to the system and gives fresh breath. So I love Peppermint Vitality for that. Lemon oil, I literally don't pour myself a glass of water these days without putting some citrus oil or even peppermint oil in my water. What I have found is that I end up drinking more water when I use citrus oils, and it really is just a drop. I pour it into the glass and then I pour the water over it, and that helps it to mix. I'm drinking more water, and my system is getting flushed, and there's so many great properties to lemon oil. You'll want to look that up more specifically just so you know all of the good benefits that you're getting for your body. All right, so let's move on to Thieves Vitality. And this was the oil that hooked me on the oils 10 years ago when we started. So
Yes.
Thieves Vitality is a blend made up of cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, rosemary, lemon, and it's great for immune system support. I've never been healthier. With Thieves Vitality, I will make a tea with it. I will put a drop under my tongue. Any way that you want to take it, you can use it, but my favorite way is in that tea. So I will do a little bit of raw honey, 1 drop of Thieves oil, hot water, and sip away. It tastes delicious, and it's such a good immune system support. Okay, the next one is Digize Vitality, and this one is for the digestive system. You'll remember that because digestion. So lots of different single oils in this blend. Has a very interesting smell to it. I always say sometimes you're not using the oils for the smell, you're using it for the effectiveness. And this is one of those for me. I love the smell of tons of the oils. This is not one that I appreciate too much, but I do appreciate the impact that it has on my system. So any sort of support that your digestive system is needing, this is a good oil to go to. So you can put this in a little veggie capsule. Young Living sells capsules that you can pour oils into and just take like a pill. You can put a drop under your tongue, you can put a drop in your water. However you want to get it in, that's fine, but Digize is one that you do not want to be without. Okay, and then this one, in your kit, this is going to look a little bit different. It's going to be a white label. Copaiba Vitality is what comes in your kit. And this one is just a great one for overall wellness. I know that the founder of our company does this internally every day, and that's enough for me. He knows so much about the oils. If he's taking it every day, I want to be taking it every day. I would encourage you to go and look up one of the main constituents in Copaiba oil. It's beta-caryophyllene. That's as sciencey as we're going to get in this video, okay? I promise. But you want to look that up because it is a powerhouse compound, beta-caryophyllene, and that's in here. You can make a tea with this. Once again, you can put it in your water, however you want to get this into your system daily. Copaiba Vitality. Deb, you want to take away the next 5?
This is awesome. So the next 5, I'm going to start with Panaway. I love Panaway for after exercise to ease and relax my joints. Love it. So knees, hips, whatever I need support for with that, I love Panaway. Amazing. Then the next one we have is lavender. This is the Swiss Army knife. Love lavender. I use lavender mostly in the evenings. I will put a drop or 2 in Epsom salts in my bath and also rub on my body, on my pillow to help calm and relax and Also with affirmations, it just takes me right into sleep. Love it. Next is frankincense. Love frankincense. We like to say what was good for the baby Jesus is good for me. And for me, frankincense is one that I love for skin support. Love to put it on my face with some of the art skincare. Amazing. Love frankincense. Research frankincense. It has a lot more opportunities for wellness than we possibly can imagine. Next is purification. I love purification because it is awesome for creating amazing smell in my home. If we cook broccoli or cauliflower, that is when I am diffusing purification the most. Love it for clean, clear air in the home. And last but not least, RC. RC stands for respiratory care. And I love this in the diffuser, but I also like this to put a couple of drops on a wash rag in the corner of my shower. And I have an amazing eucalyptus steam bath that helps to clear my head with amazing energy and also supporting my overall respiratory health.
So when you get your kit and you lift this portion out, you'll see that there's a little secret compartment under there, and you're gonna find Stress Away and you're gonna find Ningxia Red. So Stress Away, really quickly, is my absolute favorite in terms of smell. It has vanilla and lime, it has lavender in it and ocotea, which is in the cinnamon family. It's a divine smell. So I wear this one often as perfume, but just as the name suggests, Stress Away, it's so perfect for that busy person who doesn't really have time to slow down and they just need something that is going to help them to relax. Don't you love it when that happens?
Oh, love it.
So
That's
anyway,
perfect.
so that's Stress Away. Will you talk really quickly
Yes.
about Ningxia Red?
Yes, so Ningxia Red, love this. This is our super antioxidant drink with amazing wolfberry in it from the province of Ningxia. For me in my life, this promotes my longevity as I continue to teach others and model myself how to be the CEO of my health. So an ounce or two of this every morning for me in water to, again, hydrate myself well after a good night's sleep is amazing support for others.
So now I take it straight, shake it up really good because there's puree in it, and
Yeah.
put it in the fridge. I think it tastes so much better when it's cold. It's delicious. My kids take it every day. They ask for it if I forget to give it to them. So this is one that you won't want to be without. But stick them in the fridge now so you can get them nice and cold.
And last but not least, diffuser comes with this amazing premium starter kit.
So you may or may
Yeah.
not have gotten this. We call this the Cadillac diffuser. This is the Aria. It comes with a remote control, so you can have music playing. You can do it for 1, 2, 3 hours. LED lighting, so it lights, different colors that you can have going, and it's obviously just a beautiful one. This is the one we have down in our kitchen, and then we have the others, like the home diffusers, the dewdrops around in the various bedrooms and things. So this is one that can be ordered at some future time if it's not one that came in your kit.
Put it on your wish list. Andrea, would you tell us with the Stress Away how we can use another very important piece of equipment in the box of starter kit options?
So also underneath this, you'll see something, a little contraption looks like this, and this is a roller ball fitment. So you can take the orifice off of whatever oil you're using, or whatever oil you want to turn into a roller ball. You literally just stick it down in. You don't need a twist or anything like that. And then you take the lid that came with it, and you're going to twist the lid on. And make sure that it gets really tight, because that's what's going to help it to kind of connect onto the bottle. Take it off, the lid off, and you want to make sure, before you turn it over, make sure that it is actually on there. This is on, good. So then you can use it as a roll-on. Now when you get to the end of that bottle, you're out of oil, and you want to still use the fitment, you can do that. You're going to put the lid on, don't twist it on, but you're just going to set it on, and then you're going to kind of pull it to the side, and that's going to take that roller ball right off, and you can put it on another oil.
Now, also, as we conclude our time together with you, we want you to know that we are here for support. Yes, you're going to open up your starter kit. We have amazing class opportunities online and in person. We are here for you. Our team, Living Well Now, is about outstanding customer service. So you will not be alone in this journey. We love to hold hands.
So you can find Deborah Lehman on Facebook. You can find me, Andrea Lehman, on Facebook. And definitely go and like our Living Well Now page. Thank you.
Thank you.